Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, you're going to watch something truly satisfying. We are building a strong, durable, and beautifully crafted solid wooden dead door from raw wood to final installation. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because this door is designed for long-term use, strength. We are using quality wood, proper joinery, and professional. This type of door is perfect for homes, apartments. The first step is selecting the right good wood. Ensures durability and prevents future problems. We carefully choose seasoned wood that is strong. Each piece is cut precisely according to the requirements. This step decides how well the door will fit. Now we move to shaping and designing the. This is where the door starts to look attractive, and clean edges and balanced design make a big. Strong joinery is the backbone of a solid. We use proper joints to ensure long lasting. This helps the door stay firm even after years. After joinery, we fix all panels. Every joint is checked to make sure there are no. This step improves both strength and appearance. Sanding gives the door a smooth and premium. This step prepares the surface for polishing. A well-sanded door always looks more. Now comes the final polishing. This brings out the natural beauty of it. A good finish also protects the door from moisture. The door is now ready for installation. Proper fitting ensures smooth opening. A well-installed door improves safety. Here is the final result, a strong, clean, and if you enjoyed this craftsmanship, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with others.